How's it going, everybody? Meister Patrick here, and today I'll be showing you how to play Unity web browser games in 2019 and hopefully beyond. For anyone coming here for the short answer, it's GameLoad. That's at least how I play them, but I know that there are other ways. For this tutorial, I'll be showing how to work GameLoad. Additionally, I will be putting a table of contents to this video in the description. If at any point you feel that you've seen enough to get yourself started, I highly recommend checking out the troubleshoot section of this video, as GameLoad can be rather buggy sometimes. For those sticking around, a little bit of background: all major web browsers stopped supporting the Unity web player engine back towards the end of 2018. This will show you how I have managed to get around this difficulty. To start, you will need to open up your favorite web browser. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be using Google Chrome. Using your web browser's Omnibox, navigate to unity3d.com/webplayer, as you see printed here on the screen. Once on this page, you will notice that the Unity web player is no longer supported. Fortunately, despite this fact, Unity has left a legacy edition for both Windows and macOS. You will need this web player to play any Unity games, but for those with older versions of Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox, this might be your only needed step. Since I have a Windows computer, I will be hitting this download button, clicking Run once it downloads, and clicking through the install wizard to successfully download the web player. Once you have downloaded the Unity web player, if your web browser is no longer able to play Unity games, you will then need to download an additional application which will run the Unity web player. I personally use GameLoad and have found it to work for me. Go to gameload.top to download. Here you will see the option to download a Chrome extension or download. I highly recommend clicking download, as I could not get Chrome extension to work for me. From here you will download the file, run, allow it to make changes, and run through the install wizard to download the application. Once the application has been downloaded, navigate to wherever you saved it on your computer and open the application. Once inside, you will find a very minimalistic UI. I recommend carrying the window over to the right side of your screen. I'll cover why later, but for now, trust me on this. To navigate to any web page, you will need to click on this globe icon, which will open an Omnibox. In here, type the web page for whichever Unity game you wish to play. For the sake of this video, I will be using the Feng Attack on Titan tribute game, as it has some popularity on this channel. In the ideal scenario, the game will load up in the center of the screen as it's intended to, and it is totally functional and playable as you would expect it to be. For this particular game, you can press backspace to make it full screen, P button to pause, and here you can set your controls, quit the game, press escape to minimize the screen again. Here is where we get to the troubleshooting issues. I know the game looks playable as it is here, but I highly recommend listening to the next few minutes in case you run into any of these issues yourself. To show off some of the issues, I will be refreshing the page several times to show some of the problems that may arise. In this version, you can see that the screen is blank and nothing has happened. In this case, what you need to do to solve it is refresh the page. There are loaded like normal, black, normal, black. As you can see, about every other time that you refresh it, it'll work and then won't work. I don't know what causes this, some sort of programming I'd imagine, but keep that in mind. I have found this to be very consistent, that about every other time I reload, it works. Either way, I would give it about a second to make sure it's not working before refreshing the page. I closed GameLoad and opened it again in the hope of showing you why I told you to pull it over to the right earlier in this tutorial. I find that the most common version of loading the game is that it appears in a window over here in the top left corner. This will cover the GameLoad page if the window pops up on the left side. Now you'll notice whenever I click on any of the buttons in the game, they don't do anything. And in fact, if I scroll over to here in the blank white space, it'll pop up and I can actually hit those buttons. Do not use this. You will see that it cannot, if I click, nothing happens. It is not actually successfully moving to those buttons. What you need to do is at the bottom of the screen on the taskbar, you will notice the GameLoad icon next to this exe Windows Unity web player. If you click on this task and move up, you will now see that the buttons do work. You can still click single player, start the game, and again, backspace will get you right into the game. If you notice, my mouse cursor is in that top left corner, right in the green area. To fix that, all you do is pause, hit continue, and the cursor is exactly in the center of the screen as you want it. To show again, here are my particular settings for this game if you are interested in playing it. I highly recommend using some of these settings, as the game can be difficult to play with the default settings. I'll also like to point out that I use the TPS camera type for those particular settings. They are not necessarily attuned to work with original or WoW settings. Another troubleshooting issue you may run into is here. If you press backspace to pull the game out of full screen mode and try to move your mouse, you'll see it is currently stuck. And if I click on anything, I can't do anything. That's backspace, won't go full screen, pause won't pause the game. It's because I'm currently actually selected in that GameLoad server. If you click Alt-Tab on Windows, you have the option of switching back to the Unity web player, and you can move the mouse again. You can even move it out if you want to click on other things, or if you want to get back into the game, it's again backspace, pause, and continue. Backspace again, you see it work this time, potential troubleshooting issue. So just to clarify, anytime you click out of the window, clicking back into the window won't work. You will have to switch to the task in order to use it, using Alt-Tab, or if you clicked out of the window, you can just click down here and you'll switch back into the task again. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please like the video if it was any help to you, and subscribe if you'd like to see more of our content. We're a small channel, so any interaction helps, and if you have any trouble, please leave a comment down below. I am always in the comments section, hoping to help you out in any way I can. With any luck, this will be enough for you to enjoy your own Unity web browser game. Game on, and zoink out.